In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily show or hide iCloud Drive on Files app homepage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Files app. If some another folder is opened, tap right here all the time until you get to the browse page, and in here we can easily find all the locations including iCloud Drive. If you would like to hide it or if you would like to show it, first off you need to tap right here at these three dots and then select Edit to activate edit mode, and after that we can, by turning it on or off, show or hide it from our browse page. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.